going on a quick test drive here. We have 27,320 miles on the odometer, and this thing is just wicked clean inside and out. Absolutely gorgeous. Hate even driving the car. All of this is in great condition. Steering wheel looks good. Everything has a beautiful matte finish to it. Steering wheel is perfectly straight, alignment is solid, car shifts super smooth, no issues there. And this is a really bumpy road, and it's doing a great job. The shifts are just flawless. If you had to learn to drive a manual, this car would be incredibly easy to learn on. I have no complaints with drivability. There's third, there's fourth. All right, we're in first. Second, third, all right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a little time capsule. Looking at the front right wheel, couple small chips, very minor though. That wheel is in great condition. If you get super close, you're going to see a couple flaws. Date code on that tire is 2007, and that is 2004, and they are different, so we'll get to that in a second. Looking at the paint, a couple little marks right there, but look at the depth. See the reflection in that light as I'm moving? Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice. Couple little rock chips. A-pillar looks good. The condition of this paint is insane. With that reflection and just how crystal clear it is, next to no orange peel on it. Really, really nice. Same here on all of this. The reflection is insane. Looks good. And at that quarter panel, looks amazing. A couple little chips here and there. For the most part though, really, really nice. Couple tiny little impacts. You're gonna see just a few here and there. All very subtle stuff. You have one rock chip there that kind of stands out. Couple little bitty impacts. And then the white in here is just a little bit of polishing compound left over. They went through this and made it just look incredible. So you're going to see a couple little spots there of the compound left over. Looking at that splitter, you do have rash. It looks like it barely clipped the edge right there in a couple spots. You have a couple touch-up spots here. Looks like a little bit of rash there. This plate kind of hides the bumper there. If you put a new splitter on that, it would look incredible. Beautiful front end though. That part of the fender looks good. I do see a few small rock chips. A couple small chips on the wheel. Besides that, looks really, really good. Door's nice and clean. A couple tiny impacts on the side mirror. That looks nice. Roof looks good. Little chip there. This thing is just incredible though. Super good. And then just so you can see this paint, I'm going to zoom into that light. Looking at that light, the reflection, see how clear that is as I move across the paint? Tail light is really, really nice. Absolutely gorgeous. Do see a couple flaws right there. Honestly, if you just walk around this car a couple feet away, even inches away, it looks like it came off the showroom floor almost. And the interior is just as gorgeous as the outside. This is, like I said, this is a little time capsule. Incredibly clean. Looking at that upper section, looks good. Tiny little flaw right there. The rest of those buttons look good. Grab handle nice and clean. Still that beautiful matte finish on all the leather. Looking in the jams, looks good. That looks amazing. Beautiful seat bolster. You're gonna see a little bit of wear, but this is next to nothing considering the year of this car. That seat looks incredible. Steering wheel looks amazing. I don't see any flaws there. Here on the upper side of the dash, just gonna scan through that the best I can. From what I can tell, she looks good. All of that looks good as well. Shifter, nice and clean. As far as flaws go, it's very minimal. I mean, you get it really close, you're gonna see a couple little spots there, but she is really, really nice. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Looking at the upper section, looks perfect. You have the tiniest little mark right there. Handles look good. All that leather is perfect. And it's incredibly clean. All that plastic looks good. Jams are really, really nice. A couple little scuffs here and there. Looking at that bolster, a few light markings. See a couple tiny marks and scuffs there. The rest of that seat though looks really, really good. Carpet's nice and clean, glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash, from what I can tell here, looks really good. Okay, we're just going to scan through the front here. It's incredibly clean. All of that is in great condition. Looks amazing. Scanning through those jams. Nice and clean.